Hi everyone, I've got some more great Goodwill finds for you and I'm going to stage it as we talk about it. But I got this really cool lamp from Goodwill. I'm not sure how much I paid for it, but I'm going to say I don't really pay over 10. But is this not a really, really cool lamp? It is, and it works. I had tried it, so I don't have a light bulb in it right now, but you get the gist of it. It is just a really cool lamp that I'm going to place right there. As you can see. Okay, then I got this vase at Goodwill. It was $5. Wasn't in, well, I mean, it's got some marks on it, but I can get the marks out. I haven't. I got it for half price that day. It was a $5 vase, so I figured if I didn't use it, I could also just paint it. But I'm going to use it as it is because I really do like it. And like I said, it's made out of glass. So I'm going to put this one right over here. My next piece, which I absolutely love, is this vase. It's like pottery. It was $10. It's got a number on it. I'm not sure where it came from, but look at the texture of this. Like I said, I'm never sure because I've bought these things over the last probably 4 weeks. Sometimes I get them for half price, sometimes I pay full price, so it was either 10 or 5, but trust me, it's really heavy and it would have been worth 10. But it is a gorgeous vase. It really is. Look at the texture on that. Great looking. Okay, we'll put that one right here. Okay, next is, oh, you gotta love this picture. It was for $2. I thought it was so cool. It's a Goodwill. And it is, look how cool that is. Is he not cool? He's cool. Okay, he's gonna go right here. Then I got, oh, this was really unique and I had to pick it up because I like anything that's a little bit different. It's metal. Do you see how, look at the colors of that? And it was $5.99 and it has a little metal frame. It's got a bird in it, so you can change it out if you want to. I'm going to leave it because it's got a little bird up there, and I probably need to take the tag off. Let me see if I can take the tag off. Goodwill, I guess, you know, they have it so if you take the tags off, they fall apart. I mean, I don't understand it because they get all this stuff for free, and I guess they feel like somebody's going to steal it, which I'm not sure why. But yeah, so I'm going to try to peel this off. It was probably $6 or $3, but I just thought it was so cool. And a lot of times some of these different sizes and different shapes just add so much to whatever you are styling. But yeah, there, we'll see it. I'm going to set that right here. It's just really cool. I'm not sure what kind of bird that is, but it's a cool picture. Oh, next is, you're going to love this one. This was $6. I got it at Goodwill. They had a couple of these. Somebody had collected giraffes, I guess, but I got it for half price. It's made out of wood. I think it's so cool. And I'm going to put this over here by this other animal. So I've got some animals up there. Got the cougar, the bird, and the giraffes. Okay, I got this great piece of floral, and I got this. Look at this piece. This is too cool. This I got at Hobby Lobby. I love getting my florals from Hobby Lobby. It's pretty long. As you can see, there it is. It's going to be really, really long. There it is, and I'm going to put it in this tall vase over here just to give it some height, to break up some of the height there. And I think we need something in this little pottery. Again, I'm going to use this eucalyptus pick that I got from Walmart. I'm going to add that to this vase just to add some more color. And there it is. It's so pretty. It really is. Look at that. I'm going to show it to you up close, but I thought you would enjoy this particular one because it had some animals in it. And it's nice to just decorate with something different. Like if you are a unique person, you can always add something of your personality to your styling, which I think is pretty cool to do. Look how gorgeous that is. Is that not a really cool like styling of all these different pieces? I love the way this turned out. It is just so different, so unique. And almost, well, yeah, all of it came from Goodwill, except for the Hobby Lobby branches and the little eucalyptus from Walmart. But here we go. Look how pretty this vase is. Like I said, it had, it looks perfect to me, but I like it that it was used because it means somebody enjoyed it. And here is the little branch that I got from Hobby Lobby. And it looks so good in this vase, doesn't it? Look how cool that looks. It really does. And here we have the little bird. It's all made out of metal. It's just a really neat little piece. It's got a lot of texture at the bottom. Of course, 3 giraffes is really cool. Made out of wood. I just think that is unique type right there. And here is the cougar picture. I think he's a cougar, isn't he, Angelina, or a leopard? Is this a leopard or a cougar?
Well, it's not a cougar, so it's probably a leopard or a cheetah.
A leopard or a cheetah, excuse me. I'm not up on the animals. Okay, and then I love this vase. I love the texture. You can see it's got the little ripples in it. It's got ridges. It's got great color. And the eucalyptus looks good. And you know I love this lamp. I have gotten quite a few lamps from Goodwill lately. Sometimes I buy the shade separate, or sometimes it comes with it. I think this one came with it, and I was like, oh, I'm taking this one. This one's mine. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So you can see how great this looks. Well, I hope you're enjoying this video. I hope you'll subscribe, hit the like button, the notification bell, and it'll let you know when the next video is coming out. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.